Welcome to Pro Express.
Today, I'll show you how to extract specific components like the day name, day number, month name, and year from a date range in Excel. Let's dive in. Setting up the date range. First, select the range where your dates are stored. In our case, it's AY3 to AY11. Ensure that the dates are formatted correctly as proper dates for Excel to interpret them. Extracting the day's name. To display the name of the day, e.g., Monday, Tuesday, click on BA3 and enter the formula. Equals text AY3 dd. Press enter and then drag the fill handle down to copy the formula for the entire range, BA3 to BA11. See how Excel extracts the names of the days from the dates? It's that simple. Extracting the numeric day. Now move to BB3. To display the numeric value of the day, 1 to 31, use this formula. Equals day, I3. Hit enter, and as before, drag it down the column. This gives you the exact day of the month as a number. Extracting the month name. To display the name of the month, e.g., January, February, go to BC3 and type this formula. Equals text, AY3, press enter and fill the formula down the range. And now, the month names are extracted beautifully. Extracting the year. Lastly, to extract the year as a 4-digit number, go to BD3 and type equals year, I3. Press enter and drag the formula down the column. The year in a neat 4-digit format. And that's it for today's lesson. In just a few steps, we've transformed a date range into its individual components. Remember, these formulas can save you tons of time when working with dates in Excel. Thanks for watching.